Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share with you the secrets to achieving defined facial features. If you're looking to enhance your facial aesthetics, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Our first secret is proper skincare. Maintaining healthy skin is a fundamental step in bringing out those distinct facial features. Don't forget to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day and regularly cleanse your skin.
Section 2. Posture and exercise. Having the right posture and engaging in regular exercise are key steps in achieving defined facial features. Your posture is a crucial element of body language and contributes not only to your physical health, but also conveys confidence and determination to those around you. Significance of posture. Extending your chest, rolling your shoulders back, and keeping your head upright not only contributes to a taller and more elegant appearance, but also accentuates the definition of your jawline. Daily exercise routine. Adopting a consistent daily exercise routine supports not only your overall health, but also enhances the prominence of your facial features. Cardio exercises improve general circulation, contributing to a more vibrant appearance. Posture and exercise not only improve your facial features, but also have positive effects on your overall health and quality of life. Remember, this process requires patience and consistent effort. Now, before moving on to the next step, you can begin incorporating these healthy habits into your life.
Now, the third step, hairstyle. Your haircut and style can emphasize your facial features. If you have a defined jawline, consider short hairstyles. This can help your facial features appear more prominent. Fourth step, effective communication skills. One of the secrets to having defined facial features is confidently expressing yourself. Improving your communication skills can enhance not only your facial features, but also your overall appearance.
And there you have it, the 4 essential steps to achieving well-defined facial features. However, remember, everyone's facial structure is unique, so embrace yourself just as you are. This process is personal, and everyone progresses at their own pace. Each person's facial structure is distinct. In your journey to achieve well-defined facial features, focus on your personal needs and characteristics. This can help you find what works best for you. Feel free to share your questions, thoughts, and experiences in the comments. The community is a great way to learn from each other. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Also, make sure to turn on notifications to stay informed about new content. I look forward to your questions. Until the next video, take care and stay healthy.